The game I selected was iCivics. It was on the list, but it was one of the very few that isn't actually a physical game, it's online. So the link is here, and you can actually create a free account. And it offers some really great tools. You have games, but then you also have curriculum units as well. Tons of tools for teachers and really easy and quick to implement. All the games are short, 15 to 30 minutes. They're incredibly appealing in terms of being very colorful and visual, interactive, lots of meaningful and real world scenarios. It was founded by Justice Day O'Connor when she retired from the Supreme Court because she wanted to ensure that there were high quality resources to enhance civics lessons. So there's clear objectives and everything on there, and there's lots and lots of different activities to do. So these games could be used as a pre or post unit test. A lot of the collaborative activities in there could be done as stations. Lots of prompts that be used for persuasive writing, class debates, lots of different ways that you could use these to review. For the SOLs, almost all of the Virginia and United States government standards were covered in some form or another. Civics and economics, they pretty much were all covered. All of the standards were covered by these games and activities. There's a civil rights unit, which would match up really nicely with To Kill a Mockingbird in ninth grade. The media and influence unit would work really well in English when we're talking about fake news, or a marketing class when you're looking at the power of media. Public policy unit. Right now at my high school, there's a really big push to get our students, especially seniors, obviously, to register to vote. So this would be great to do as maybe a whole school activity during our Eagle block. So different ways that you could collaborate with teachers, maybe some research on constitutional rights and incorporate the quiz, a unit on fake news with the English class, and you could use the quiz to introduce the topic, see what they already know. Election learning stations. Again, they have a cast your vote activity, an interactive game that would work really well as one of the stations. English background research on civil rights. If you were doing marketing learning stations, there's a really cool game on the impact of the media, and that could be one of your learning stations. So just very quickly show you some of the sites. These are all the different games, really well laid out, very short, 15 to 30 minutes. Again, very colorful, easy to use, interactive, easy to sign up. This is some of the teaching resources. Again, it gives you all the different examples, really colorful, really easy to read through. Here are some of the worksheets that you can print off for students. Again, everything is really high quality, very well laid out, very interactive, fun to do as well. And this is the kind of teacher guide that you get. It literally gives you step-by-step guide as to what to do. It gives you all the different resources from online, vocabulary, pretty much everything you could need. So I think this is a fabulous resource for our teachers.